What is up, everyone? Hope everyone doing good. In today's video, I just thought it would be a good idea to talk about cases, especially for those who picked up the Pixel 3a phone. This thing is just absolutely incredible, I gotta say. For its price, all its many different things that it could do, the incredible camera, and like this phone is actually fantastic for a flagship that's also pure Android. But like I said in today's video, don't always run your phone naked. You don't go naked. Why should your phone go naked? And so in today's video, I don't know what I was going with that, but in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at their Pixel 3a case, and that's literally the name to this case. It's just a simple case. Now on the back, all it really just says is that it's a fabric case for, and everything else is different languages. Very interesting, but designed by Google, made in China. Good to know. Designed in Google where? By Apple? At least Apple says designed in California. But yeah, that's basically it. Out of the box, here's the case. Really soft, nice texture. The only thing I could think of that might be a con to this case, let's simply take it out. The only thing I could think of that could be a con in this case is that, will it stain? I got my glass of coffee right here. I'm thinking about staining it in a little bit, see what the end results will be like. But the back, if you can see here, it says Google Pixel 3. It feels like it's leather, but it's not leather. I know this is vegan, vegetarian friendly, so but it looks like it's as if it's actually made out of some sort of cowhide, but I guess I gotta sniff it. Yeah, it's definitely not real leather. It smells like a cloth, but I mean, like, feels extremely nice. But this is good. That means the back part of the screen, the back part of the plastic right here, as well as the matte black part, won't get any scratches, if particles and stuff like that. But this case simply just snaps on like so. That's literally it. So you got your fingerprint reader right here, fully exposed, really easy to access. Beautiful. You got your power button colored in a different color option. I mean, this one's actually orange. This case right here is the fog color option, and then there's also a carbon color option, and they also have one that's in seascape. That one has like a yellowish highlight yellow power button, and I think it looks cool. But the carbon one is the only one that actually is a full one-tone color. And on top here, we got full access to the headphone jack, as well as this little microphone cutout. And on the bottom, both speaker grills are fully exposed, and there's plenty of space for even third-party USB-C chargers, cables out there to charge your device. The squeeze to launch Google Voice Assistant, there's no resistant, and if there isn't a resistant, you can always just adjust it in your settings. I guess I'll go ahead and demonstrate just in case you don't know. You just simply go down to your settings, look for gestures. I believe it's in system. Yeah, gestures. So you go to activate edge, and right here you can adjust the sensitivity. But so far, there's no issues when it comes to launching your voice assistant with this case on. And now for that stain test, this is gonna be annoying. Here we go. Make sure it's on camera. Ugh. So there's the stain. Let's just let it sink in and see what happens. So this is dark coffee, by the way, so doesn't look like it's stained it, to be honest. Just leave that for like, there, I dipped the entire bottom. That's a mess. Alright, let's just leave it, let it dry for like a few minutes, and see what happens if we notice. Alright, so 20 minutes have gone by, roughly, and I see the stain a little bit, like right here. Let me get the sun out of the way. Crap, it's still here. Let me move into the shadow. Yeah, you can see that stain. Yeah, that stain, I mean. Definitely stained on the case. Now, can we wash it with soap? But yeah, you could. There's a little bit of brownness going on right here. So, this case is lightly stained, but I mean, like, from a distance, yeah, that's very noticeable. But if you're clean, you should be perfectly fine. So, it feels really nice. There is a lip that goes around it that offers a good amount of protection if you place it on a flat floor surface like so. And yeah, other than that, that's the case in a nutshell. So if you're looking to pick up one of these cases, I mean, it's cool. It feels sturdy. It won't be shock resistant though, as there's no bounce whatsoever. But I mean, like, if you're really careful with your phone, your products, you should be perfectly fine. Plus, thank God this phone isn't fully glass. It doesn't have a glass body, because that probably would have cracked it if it was. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found this case review useful. If you did, I'll greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like button. Get subscribed, as I got more content coming out pretty soon for this phone in the near future. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to hit subscribe. But that's going to be it for this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.